Online Sangguniang portal. This is the welcome page. In this page, the public can view some features such as archives, council members, and gallery. First, let's click the archives. In this screen, the public can view the uploaded documents such as ordinances and resolutions. They can also see the description, authors, and status of the document. They can also be able to filter the documents. They can choose what they want to be shown on the list. The public can also view the uploaded file just by clicking it. They can also use the search bar to find a specific document. Let's move on to council member. The public can see the official member of the council, such as vice mayor, councilors, ex officio, and secretary. They can also view the profile of the council members. In the member's profile, they can see the image of the member, full name, position, contact number, email, committee memberships, and legislative measures. Next, they can also see the gallery. Inside the gallery, they can view each images together with the image description. Let's proceed to login page. You need to log into your account. In the top right corner, you will find these icons, where you can chat your co-members and view your notifications. In the dashboard, you can see your budget or allotment, expenses, balance, and your number of meetings. Let's move on to the account management. Here, you can add new user group. You just need to input the group name, office or department, and the role type. You can select the role type that you want. Just click it, and it will only show the role type that you want to see. You can also use the search bar. Just type the specific word. You can also edit or delete this. Next is user account. In adding new account, you need to fill it up, especially the required fields such as user group, office or department, first name, and the last name. You can also select the user group that you want. For example, you, the system administrator, it will only show the users that is assigned as system administrator. In this page, you can see the full name, contact number, and the recent activity of the user. You can also edit or add data of the account users. Let's move on to access control. This contains the list of modules. You can select what operations can only be done with it. You can also sort this in alphabetical order. Next is the organizational structure. In this page, you can see the information of the agency and also the agency structure, such as position title, position type, seat count, and the status. For council page, you can add new council. Just fill up the required fields such as council name, term start, term end, and status. You can also filter the council. You can see here the list of council members. You can also edit the details of the council member, and also you are able to delete it. You can also edit the details of the council. Click Add New Member to add new member at the council. Fill up the council member form, especially the required fields such as first name, last name, position, member title, district, term start, term end, and status. Next, we have committee. In this page, you can see the list of committees. You can view committee full detail and membership. For adding new member, you need to select user account, their position, term begin, term end, and status. You can also edit the information of the member. Let's move on to legislative measures. In this page, you can see the list of legislative measures, control number, description, authors, and status. You can create new legislative measure. Just fill the required fields such as year, type, and proposal number. You can also filter the legislative measure type and the status. In addition with that, you can also download and view the files attached. And also, you can view the full details of the legislative measure. Next, we have budget monitoring. In Registry and Balances, you can add new record by filling up the year cover, date posting, name, account title, and gross amount. Let's move to document types. In adding new document type, you need to add the document name, status, and access type. You can also edit the detail of the document type. Next is records. In records, you can see the list of documents. You can also create new record. Just fill up the required fields, such as document type, document title, and access type. You can also filter the document types. And you can view the full detail of the document. You can also download the files attached, and you can upload file. Let's proceed to meetings. In this page, you can see all the meetings including the date and time, meeting description, participants, and status. To add new meeting, you need to add the meeting title, category, date and time, and location. You can also filter it by year and meeting category. You are also able to publish and unpublish the meetings. And also you can view the full details of the meeting. With this, you are able to see who are invited in the meeting. You can edit the invited participants. You can also check the attendance and download meeting files attached. The agenda is also included in the meeting details. And last, you can upload the minutes of the meeting. Let's move on to the gallery. You can see the uploaded images and also the image description. You can view and edit this. You can also post new images. Just fill up the required fields such as title and description.